Learn English. Let's play a word game. Today, math game. October 15th, 2022. Try to get 10 out of 10. This is an example. This game will be easy math, but we will try to speak English really fast. So I show you this and you say, that's correct. 10 times 10 equals 100. Very nice. Let's begin. Number 1. If you need more time, you can stop the show when I raise the card. One times 6 equals 6. Number 2. Two times 2 equals 4. One times 9 equals 9. Two times 6 equals 12. Now we finished level 1. It's time for level 2. These are more difficult. Three times 7 equals 21. Four times 4 equals 16. Three times 3 equals 9. Now we finished level 1 and level 2. It's time for level 3. Six times 9 equals 54. Seven times 8 is 56. Okay, we did 4 questions from level 1. We did 3 questions from level 2. We did 2 from level 3, and now we have 1 question from top level. What's 6 times 99? We can do it together. 6 times 100 is 600 minus 1 times 6, which is 6, equals 594. Yes. 6 times 99 equals 594. Very good. And we have 2 bonus questions to help your score. Bonus question number 1. "21 plus 12 equals 33. And the last question for today. 32 minus 20 equals 12. Game over. That was fun. How did you do? Did you get 10 out of 10? I hope so, maybe with the bonus questions. And today it is October 15th, 2022. What did you do today? Very nice. Where do you live? What city do you live in? What do you do? Do you work or do you go to school? Very nice. You're doing very well. I'll see you next time, everybody. Bye-bye.